So the other day, my friend was asking me to explain to her how I take my chia seeds. And I just want to do a short video just showing you. So this is granola, just some of the few packets I packed for sampling. I will measure about 2 tablespoons. That's enough for me. Because the granola is so filling, I don't need a lot. Now, this is chia seeds that I've soaked in my glass jar container for 2 days. I normally just do this because it doesn't go bad, but then when I need them, I will just come. They should be jelly-like when you store them in the fridge or when you soak them with the water. And this is the best way to consume them because they are best absorbed when they are jelly-like. Then I put them in my granola. That one is a mixed nut. It doesn't have the chia seeds in them. This super seed is the one that has chia seeds. So when I'm taking super seed, I don't need to go this way. And then you put in your yogurt, just a little, and this is how it looks like before stirring. Then you stir. You can keep this overnight when it is like that, or you can just proceed to eat it direct if you don't mind. This is gonna be so yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy.